me about this idea of laundry stripping. It sounds fascinating, and you did an example for us, so let's check it out first.
The laundry stripping recipe is a 1/4 cup of washing soda, a 1/4 cup of borax, and a generous scoop of powdered laundry detergent.
And then we're going to soak our towels or whatever's really dirty in the bathtub. Fill your tub up with really hot water, add in your towels, and then mix in the mixture. And then just move it around, and you want them to soak for a minimum 4 hours, stirring once an hour. So we've reached hour 1. You can see the water is starting to get pretty dirty. And so what's built up on these towels is skin cells, skin oil, fabric softener, hard water, you name it. Here we are at hour 4, the end of the road. Pretty yucky. Here is the final water. So to give yourself something to do, you can strip your laundry while you're on quarantine.
Whoa!
I'm sure you guys can relate. If you're after you've had your towels for a while, they start to feel sometimes crunchy and they aren't as absorbent. And people just think, oh, my towels are getting old, but they're coated in hard water, fabric softener. All of that stuff doesn't always come out in a quick, 30-minute wash in the washing machine. So soaking them and giving them a deep clean like this and stripping them brings them right back. They're super fluffy afterwards. They last much longer. And you can do it with your workout clothes too. I find workout clothes actually have way more dirt in them even than the towels do, just because of your body and the oils and what's happening when you're working out. It's a really good idea to do that. And it just keeps your fabric performing as best as you can.
I have a question. Once you drain that disgusting tub, how do you clean the tub?
We bleach it out and give it a good scrub. It depends on what products we use.
That's a whole new challenge. Well, you're quite the cleaning whiz. You even did a handbook for your cleaning army of supporters, right?
Yes, I did. We have a best-selling handbook, and it's been life-changing for myself and for my company. We've gone from 5 cleaners to 25 females. We're working online. We're working at in-homes cleaning them. It's just been quite the ride.
Well, just to show how people are into cleaning these days, I guess your book sold out in 26 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow,
yeah,
you are on a roll, young lady.
We're changing the way people are cleaning, making it much more efficient and more satisfying. So they really, really support us, and they like that.
Well, Sarah, thank you so much for sharing your great tips. Keep it clean, right? For more tips and tricks from Sarah and for a chance to win a copy of her book, The Cleaning Army Handbook, go to thedoctorstv.com.